It's snowing really bad. We are gonna head down pretty soon to the lobby. Wait for our bus to come pick us up to take us, I think it's like an hour, hour and a half to Halong Bay. I think we're just gonna go ahead and jump to the cruise. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think I forgot Sam. I know we were supposed to jump straight to the cruise ship. I'll try this again. Here we go. And just like that, we were on the cruise ship. And this time, Sam actually made it on the jump. So this is our room tour. We ended up getting a pretty cool room. The room here is extra spacious. Tons of room for activities.
Executive suite or...
So got big square TV. We've got this, oh wow, big corner balcony. Oh, this is nice.
Oh, this is nice.
Thank you to my lovely assistant.
Yes, I opened everything. Oh, and jeez, I love it.
Yeah, this is...
We're never leaving.
This is pretty cool. We are here for 2 nights, 3 days, as they call it, but really it's just 48 hours.
We just had our welcome lunch.
Now we're... Hell yeah, we're watching TV. Yep, time to watch Netflix, baby. Hell yeah, baby, smells like diesel.
Oh yeah, I love this room.
Alright, that's a room tour. Hey, it's warm. This is pretty sick. This is basically, I feel like, the highlight of our trip.
Our trip was kind of structured all around this anyways.
Out of everything, this is like the most... I mean, we're talking, I feel like, exclusively of the cruise ship. So far, I feel like I haven't seen anything that's like, oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, we're totally talking. Well, no, this is still really pretty though.
It is still...
But yes, the cruise ship.
Yes, the cruise ship is pretty sick though. I mean, it's very small. There's only 20 rooms. It's not like it's Norwegian cruises or anything like that. It's got a little tiny hot tub here, but it's like super nice weather. Jack! 200? On board, the beers are 40,000 a piece. I just spent 75,000 a piece for 2 of them, just so I could buy them from this lady.
And how much are the beers on the boat?
40,000.
That was fun.
It was pretty cool. There she goes.
Just don't give a shit. You don't care.
She said, got him.
Got him!
I did get got, but I knew it was going to be overpriced, but I didn't know it was going to be more than double the boat price.
And then supposedly we're supposed to get a fine for that.
Yeah, apparently I guess if you buy from these people, you get fined for it by the tour boat company, but whatever.
Yeah, there's a camera right there, so there's no denying that.
We're just supporting small business.
It was worth it.
Okay, peace out now. Best $4 beer I bought all day. So Sam and I just took like the kayak tour, going through some caves I think you just saw. Just about every single cruise line does it, but it's honestly still a lot of fun, and there's really not that many people, like once you get past the start.
It's still pretty quiet. I mean, there's a lot of boats right there, but overall it's pretty quiet.
Yeah, and the caves are super cool. That was fun. My GoPro is still working. Our GoPro is still working.
Yeah, our GoPro, boy.
I mean, she rarely uses it, but it is ours.
I did record you getting a haircut.
She did record me getting a haircut. Not the best.
What'd you think of this kayaking adventure?
It was alright. I kind of wanted to skip it, but it ended up being better than I thought.
Worth it?
Yeah, I think it was just fun just
Worth it.
doing something.
I think it was fun.
The next day.
It's the next day. Well, it's the next night. Sam and I had breakfast, got up, we hung out. There's like an excursion today that we didn't do. Doesn't seem all that fun. Now we're probably gonna go into the hot tub, maybe do some squid fishing, and that's probably it. Not a lot has happened. It's kind of a small boat. There's not a ton to do. We've played a lot of card games, caught some sun today. We've just really honestly just chilled out, relaxed, recharged and rejuvenated our batteries.
Let's go look at the squid fishing.
Oh yeah, well, I'm wearing chonies.
The next day.
Got up super early this morning. Go to Tai Chi with the instructor that said he'd be out here at 6:10. It's 6:20 and he still ain't here. I've been up here since like 6:05. I know I didn't miss him. Super pretty morning though. This is our last day. I mean, it was a 3-day, 2-night cruise, but it was really just 2 days, 2 nights. It is the morning of what is the day we leave. So I think we leave at like 10. We got a couple more hours up to take a couple pictures, do Tai Chi, which does not seem like it's happening. And then we are, oh look who's up. She caught me talking to myself. I'm kind of annoyed that I got up early for Tai Chi and there is no Tai Chi.
2,000 years later.
Well, better late than never. We're basically Tai Chi experts.
Yeah. We basically need to do that more often.
Oh my god, we're not good at that.
You might not see any of these clips.
That's not our thing for sure. That was cool though. Did Tai Chi in the middle of Halong Bay.
I know, I was trying to watch the Halong Bay as we were going through it, but I was also really focused.
I know, it takes a lot of concentration there seems to be no rhyme or reason on why you do what when.
I'm sure there is, we just don't know.
Yeah, I'm sure there is, we just don't know. Now you can tell that we are on the sun deck, about to go swimming. Just kidding, we're gonna go take a nap. Checkout is like 9:30, so we can take like an hour and a half nap. And then we gotta get ready, go back to Hanoi, and then go to the airport, and we're going to Hoi An. So yeah, here we go. We just packed up our room, kind of saying goodbye to our cruise. It was a lot of fun. I've never been on a cruise. I don't know if this really constitutes as a cruise,
I don't think so.
but it was still fun. We were on a ship and we stayed the night twice. That's a cruise. Tai Chi this morning, the nappy time. Now we gotta go pay our bill for drinks we got.
$3 million.
3
$3
million.
million dong.
3 million
I
dongs.
need to stop saying dollars after everything.
Yeah, it's dong. I've been to Oyen, so many people here.